I'm Sarah Abdi with Parallel Flight Technologies. This is Firefly. Firefly can carry 100 pounds for 1.4 hours, 50 pounds for very close to 3 hours, and 10 pounds for a very, very long time. This is a hybrid electric aircraft. You can supply up to 2 kilowatts of power to your payload while you're flying. You can supply up to 10 kilowatts. If you use this as an on-the-ground generator, you would just pull these props right off. This is mainly used for anybody that has a need to carry heavy payloads for a long time. So logistics applications, agriculture applications, you can put a spreader, a sprayer, oil and gas, heavy sensors. We have a universal payload system, so you can essentially put clamps on it, you can do slung loads, you can put a winch on it. The aircraft is completely modular, so 95% of the rotables are located in these arms, and when you meet your TBO, you would pop one off and put it back on in less than 5 minutes. So you can overhaul the whole aircraft in less than 30. You can refuel the aircraft in less than 5 minutes and be back up and running. So we have very high availability, greater than 96%. Yeah, that's about it.